blanking plate, and place it in the packer. Put a little bit of water from this button here in the plate.
Mix it.
Mix up the clean before we put the blanking plate in.
Go on.
Blanking plate in. To get to the cleaning cycle, you hold the plus and minus. That
Should be E. It should be E.
We then press plus. When it comes up with FO1, clean 1, and start. And it'll run through the clean 1 cycle. When CL2 comes up, take the backing plate out. It's got all this dirty stuff. We empty it out. And we put in the normal packing plate.
Filter.
Yep. That goes in, and we put the jug underneath because that'll catch all the water. Press the CL2.
That'll run through again about 15 times.
Empty the dregs of the water out, so that's what it'll look like. Still got some stuff in it. Rinse off the filter and put the packing plate in. Press CL3. When it comes back to 93, means it's finished that cycle. We empty out the packer, but we're going to keep this in there because we're going to repeat this cycle again, but with no powder in it. So we empty out water. Fill up the machine because by this stage it would have used most of its water. Bring it up to the maximum line. And we repeat the process. So pack it back, we don't put any powder in, put it back in. So what's this doing is it's going to flush through everything that hasn't come out. So plus and minus again, hold, comes up with E, supposed to be E2. Go to F1 and press the cut button. CL1. And we just run through that whole process again, and then it'll be all clear. So hopefully when this comes through, it should be clear.